Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of drones. We will be comparing the drone and the DJI Mini 3. Both of these drones offer unique features and capabilities. But which one is the best choice for you? Let's find out. When it comes to drones, a good camera is essential for capturing stunning aerial shots. The drone comes equipped with a 1080p camera that can be manually adjusted to capture different angles. This makes it great for capturing interesting photos and videos, or even for inspecting hard-to-reach areas. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 takes it up a notch with a 4K HDR camera. This allows you to capture crystal-clear aerial shots with incredible details in both highlights and shadows. Whether you're a professional photographer or just a hobbyist, the DJI Mini 3's camera will definitely impress you. Another important aspect to consider is the battery life of the drone. The drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, each providing approximately 12 minutes of flight time. This means you can enjoy up to 24 minutes of flying experience with the drone. However, the DJI Mini 3 takes the lead in this category, with an impressive battery life of up to 38 minutes. This extended battery life allows you to fly longer without worrying about running out of power. If you're planning on capturing long flights or exploring vast landscapes, the DJI Mini 3's extended battery life will definitely come in handy. Flying a drone should be a fun and enjoyable experience, especially for beginners. The drone is designed with simplicity in mind, making it a great choice for beginners and kids. It has fewer steps to fly and doesn't require manual pairing, making it easier to operate. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 also offers a user-friendly experience with features like quick shots and true vertical shooting. These features make it easy to capture epic shots and share them on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, both drones offer ease of use with their own unique features. Portability is another important factor to consider when choosing a drone. The drone is lightweight and compact, making it perfect for taking with you on your adventures. It weighs under 249 grams, which means you don't need to register or go through any tedious application process. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 also boasts a compact design, allowing you to easily carry it on hikes, road trips, and beach days. Both drones offer great portability, so you can take them wherever your adventures take you. Based on online reviews, here is the overall assessment of the 2 drones. And that's a wrap for our comparison between the drone and the DJI Mini 3. Both drones have their own unique features and capabilities, making them suitable for different purposes. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with decent camera quality and ease of use, the drone might be the right choice for you. However, if you're a photography enthusiast or need professional-grade footage, the DJI Mini 3's 4K HDR camera and extended battery life make it the top contender. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. See you next time on Buy Smart.